This extending phone concept can transform from a smartphone into a 7.8-inch tablet. It's one of several prototypes revealed by Chinese phone maker TCL, as well as this folding organizer and what the company calls a trifold tablet with 2 hinges that fold the screen into 3 sections. Now, none of these are ready to go on sale, and the company doesn't even know how much they would cost, but it does give us an idea of what some phones might look like in the future. Instead of a folding display, this concept has a screen that rolls up inside the phone. That way there supposedly won't be a crease on the screen. Now, the one I saw was just a dummy model with no electronics inside, but the company says it is working on the real thing, which will be motorized, so it will expand at the touch of a button. There will be huge challenges to making this practical. For starters, they'll have to work out how to stop dirt getting into the mechanism and scratching the screen, although the design is eye-catching. Here's another concept, a tablet that can be folded in half. When it's closed, it looks a bit like a tiny laptop, which I thought was very cute. And out of all the concepts TCL showed me, I thought this was the most robust and practical. But like other folding phones, the screen did feel a bit plasticky and flimsy, not premium like you'd expect from a smartphone. And finally, a trifold tablet, essentially a 10-inch tablet that folds down into a very chunky phone. It has 2 hinges, one folds forwards, one folds backwards, and you can bend it into lots of unusual shapes, although I'm not entirely sure why you would want to. Now, so far, the folding phones we've seen other companies release have been eye-wateringly expensive, and TCL is not known for releasing expensive phones. So when I got to chat to Stefan Streit from the company, I asked him about pricing and durability.
The price is depending on a number of things, right? Is how many displays you have, and if it is like one very large display maybe, or if you build in 5G and not. What we feel like it's not possible right now to sell products at this price for TCL. This would be the most expensive product in all our different product categories.
One of the criticisms of the folding phones that have been released so far is that they've been quite flimsy. We've seen a lot of them break. How are you going to avoid issues like this?
This is where we do a lot of testing, and where we also benefit from the mechanical expertise we have in the company. We're doing wash machines, we do air conditions, all these kind of things. So we have a lot of mechanical engineering capabilities. We will not use the consumer as a beta tester.
Do you think some of your competitors have been using the consumers as beta testers?
I wouldn't say that. They have different marketing strategies, and for them it is more important to be first. This is not our strategy. We rather want to be the ones who bring it into more affordable segments, as we do with other technologies.